What is it?
Is it like, oh,
Jack's hands.
oh my, what's that?
Huh?
Oh my, what's that?
Your fingerprint.
Yeah, fingerprint.
Remember when you
Oh wait, I want that finger.
Yeah, dito sa finger mo. The tongue.
Fingerprints.
Yeah. See that? It's circle. There's a fingerprint.
Don't move it. Oh, let's put it in focus. Oh! Other way. Ayan o. Look at the fingerprint, Lily. Look.
Oh my, that's chips. Those are chips. And this is the head.
And this one is...
The body.
Look, like this.
There's a little hair thing.
Oh.
There's little
Wala,
hair.
no?
Yeah.
It's a little
That's,
hair thing.
Ayan yung body.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a spider.
Can you look at my ear?
Yeah, look. Ito yung ano niya.
Yung ano ko
Thorax? Is it thorax?
Yeah. Thorax, di ba dito? The body?
Yeah, but for insects, I think it's thorax. Not yung wings. That wing.
Ayos yun ah. Parang endoscope lang ah.
Yeah. Wala na sa focus.
Tingnan mo there's kung nandun pa rin yung ano. Yung waxy.
Ayan o.
Look, Lily, it's the wing.
Wow.
Grabe yung table natin, no?
Tingnan mo yung ulo.
Oh, it's looking at me.
This thing, Mama.
It's a CD. Tingnan mo yung eyes.
Whoa.
That's recorded, by the way.
Yeah. I know. You can look at this bee head.
That's a bee head.
Cool. What is this? This movie has to be like love seconds.
Huh?
This movie has to have like a lot of seconds, but no minutes. Either B looks like this, and it's really cute.
Really cute.
Not cute as a fly. No, and a fly not cute as a spider, and a spider not cuter than a puppy. It's not. It's just like big than the mosquito. I have a joke for you guys. Whatever. I have a joke for you guys, and you answer in a comment section below. You know that below thing, whatever. And I have a riddle. What did the bug say to the bug when the fly went by?
What?
And please check our channel. It's like a F and a P, whatever that. That's my dad's name, and
Oh, look at the mouth.
whoa,
Look at the mouth right there. That's what it looks like.
that's a moth? No.
Mouth. Ayan o.
Oh,
Ayan,
that's
oh.
a mouse.
See
Yeah,
that?
the moth was. We did the moth video. I hope you checked it.
Look at
And,
the...
whoa,
I think the right term is thorax.
ew.
Oh.
Look at that, like, skin. It's like hairy in the inside.
This one.
What? Oh my. Even touching it in the butt. That's the butt.
That's not the butt.
I thought everyone has butts. Then it won't poop. Like a spider. It always pees
Right in the
spider webs.
bottom.
Oh, that's the bottom, yeah, but how does it poop? It just
See,
rubs
it's got
it.
hair. Look. There's a hair. Bigat. Hindi
What? Oh my! It's like what?
yun Look.
It's like it's.
The toe. Look at the toe.
Look at the toe. Oh my!
Can't do it like that. To zoom in.
Yeah, whatever. Look at it. It's just water.
And zoom in and focus.
It's water. It's like, oh, why is he? Oh, look at that black. Wait, what's
Like
that? What's that? Just say it.
Ano yun?
Yung isang paa niya.
May laman, may
May
hawak.
ganun, no?
Or may hawak.
That's why they
Grabe, okay yun ah.
can.
They're like, what?
Sobrang lapit, kaya niya.
It's like cute little. I don't know. Cute little what?
And look at the hair.
Ang linaw, what the?
That's what the what is it called? Yung labasan ng ano?
Mouth?
No, that's the
Look
Look at
at
the
the.
wing. Oh, look at the
What?
wing.
Ah, it's a
Look
mosquito.
at the wing.
Yeah, I know, it's great.
Yun lang. Kuya stopped it.
Whatever, it's not
That's the
me.
wing.
Oh my, it's like a black wing thingy. What can you do?